Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see the most common website errors we get while browsing at the website. So I have listed here 12 most common errors one by one. We will see one by one these errors, what are the causes of these errors and how do we fix these errors. So starting with first error, which is 500 internal server error. This is a general purpose error and can occur whenever an internal problem is encountered by the web server. Often, this error occurs when the web server is loaded. So, how to fix this error? So, when you encounter this error message, you can try to resolve it by reloading the page, clearing your browser's cache, deleting your browser's cookie, and restarting your browser. These are the steps you can do if you get this 500 internal server error. The next is 401 unauthorized. This error message will appear usually after a user has attempted to access a site they were unauthorized to access or after a failed login attempt. There might be two causes for this error. One is you are accessing the site which is unauthorized to access and you have entered wrong login credentials. So, how to fix this error? As a website owner, you can add password protection to your site via your computer panel accounts. This can be a great extra security layer restricting access to your admin area, such as the WP admin folder in a WordPress sites. This is one of the example how to fix this 104 unauthorized error. The third error is 400 bad request. As the name suggests, this is the cause when if you have request which is corrupted, you will see this error message. Also, it means that something has gone wrong with your web browser in relation to your request. So it is giving this bad request error. Usually this means the data sent by the browser does not conform to the rule of HTTP protocol. There are some five common issues with this request. One is bad URL syntax. You have entered a URL which is not correct, and invalid cookies or incorrect file size when you send some file, or unsynchronized DNS cache or server error. These are the some issues for this error to occur. So how to fix this error? You can recheck the URL, the URL which you have entered to get the website, or check your internet connection, clear your browser cookies, also clear DNS cache, compress the file so you will not get this incorrect file size issue. Also deactivate browser extension or restart your system. So these are the things you can do to fix this error. So next is 403 forbidden error. If there is an attempt to access a forbidden directory on a website, you will see this error message, which means there is no login opportunity on that page. You cannot enter that page. If you are trying to get into the directory or website which is forbidden to access, then you will get this error. The most common reason a user will see this error message is if the website does not permit users to browse the site's file, directory, structure, or the specific file requested is not permitted to be viewed from the web. So then they get this 103 forbidden error. So how to fix this error? For this, you can refresh the page. So many times the 403 error is temporary and a simple refresh might do the trick. Also, you can double check the address. The most common reason for 403 error is mistyped URL. So check the URL address and then you can re-verify the website. Also clear the browser cookies and cache. This is one of the thing you can do. Then check if you have permission to access that URL. Also try again later after some time. You can try the same website if it is giving the same error or not. Also contact the website or contact your internet service provider. Also disconnect from your VPN. If you are using VPN, you can disconnect and try the website again. So these are the things you can do to fix this error. The next is 404 not found error. So if an user attempts to access a non-existent web page, that web page is not present there on a website. Sometimes it is deleted or domain is deleted for that website, then this error might occur. 404 not found, as the name suggests, a not found error message. Okay, so this message usually appears when a user closes a browser, hits the stop button, or clicks on a link too quickly. However, this message may also appear when a file is very large or if the server is running too slow. That time also this message can appear. So often this is a simply due to mistype URL. Yes, if you have entered a wrong URL, then also this message can or this error can occur. So how to fix this error? Just simply reload the page or check for the URLs or go back through the directory levels. Also use the website search function to search this the URL or the website you are trying to connect with. Also delete the browser cache and cookies and try again later, and also contact the website. So these are the things we can do to fix this 404 not found error. So there are some other errors also which are mostly similar to this error, which is 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, 403 forbidden, and 408 request timeout. These are the similar types of error which are closely similar to this error. The next is 501 not implemented. So this message means that the browser does not support the requested feature. So how to fix it? Sometimes if you try and reload the page, it might this will might work. Also clear the browser's cache. Also disable proxy server settings or contact your host. These are the things you can do for this error. Next is find out to service temporarily overloaded request. This name only suggests what this error means. Here you will see a find out for error when a server is congested. It's a problem that usually resolves itself when the web traffic decreases. When the web traffic is increased, then service may be overloaded. That's when they use this error message. Also, one or two bad gateway error means that the web server you are connecting to is acting as a proxy for relying information from another servers. That's why it is overloaded at the server side, and but it has gotten a bad response from that other servers. Then this error might occur. So how to fix this error? Here we can do the refresh on the page, check if the site is down for other people also. The same site you can try ask some other people to access the same site and check if it is down for other people also. Also try another browser. If you are using Chrome, just try any another browser and check if it is happening there also. Also clear your browser's cache and cookies, or you can do is check the your plugins and extensions which we have with your browser. Restart your device or change your DNS servers. These are the things we can do to fix this 102 service temporarily overloaded error. The next is 503 service unavailable. So user will see a 503 message if the site they are attempt to reach is busy or if the server is down. So there are different error variation for this error. One is 103 service unavailable, or they can even say 103 service temporarily unavailable, or HTTP server error 503, HTTP error 503, H error 503 service unavailable. The server is temporarily unavailable to service your request due to maintenance, downtime, or capacity problem. Please try again later. These are the different error variations we can see for this error. So how to fix this? So here you can restart your server or check to see if your web server is going through maintenance. Fix faulty firewall configuration if there is any. Also shift through your server side logs. You can check the logs for you from your server side to check why this error is coming. Also you comb through your website's code to find a bug. So these are the things you can do to get a read for this error. Next is connection refused by host. So this error message is like a 403 error. Usually means that the user does not have the authorization to access the site or to attend a login into that site. Usually because the password is incorrect. So you can try to fix it by trying again with correct password. So next is file contains no data. User, the cause of this error is that if you have the file which contains no data and that page is persistent but nothing shows up. This can be caused by the bad table formatting or stripped header information. So how to fix it? If the file was sent via email, a new copy must be sent. Also, if the file was zipped, a new zip file must be created. And if the file was downloaded, a new copy must first be made available online. So these are the things you can do for this error. File contains no data. So next is cannot add form submission result to bookmark list. So when a user attempts to save a type of form that is not a document or a web address, they will get this error. So how to fix this? So try saving the result page as an HTML page on your hard disk. Use the save as command, then add the saved page to your bookmark list. That way you can get rid of this error. Depending on the CGI script behind the query, you may or may not be successful, but it's worth a try. The last one is 404 request timeout. So this error will get when server does not receive the full request from the user within the set time frame it has allocated to wait. So if we have some given some request for something and that didn't complete within a given time frame, that time this error might occur. So repeated 408 will occur if either the server on the user's system is experiencing a heavy workload or if there is a temporary internet surge which slows down the message being delivered to the server. That time this error message can occur. So how to fix this? The best immediate step you can take when you get this error is to reload the page and see if the issue persists. So these are the 12 different errors we can get while we use any website. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any question you can write that on the below comment section. Thank you so much.